Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we are going to be reviewing some tech again. So just straight off the bat, if you are using an Apple mobile phone, then this video is not going to be very useful for you, because today I'm going to be unboxing Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and as I'm unboxing, I'll also be comparing it with the latest Galaxy Buds Pro. So before I start, please remember to leave a like button if this video is useful for you, and also subscribe if you want to. That will really help out with the whole YouTube algorithm. And if you've got any questions or anything that you want to add to this unboxing, review and comparison, then please just drop a message underneath this video so we can check out that comment or answer any questions. So let's get straight into it. I got myself Galaxy Buds Plus. Obviously this comes in 3 colors. You get a black color, you get a white color, which is the one that I got, and then you also get like a bluish light blue color. I got the white one, matches with my Samsung phone, as you can see, it goes very nicely together. Now you might be wondering, what's the price? This is really going to depend. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, I got this for $50 US. I think other places you're probably going to get it for anywhere from $70 to $100. Now, if you compare the price of the Galaxy Buds Plus to the Galaxy Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds Pro is probably going to be anywhere from $160 to $199, basically $200 US. So the Galaxy Buds Plus is basically half the price of the Galaxy Buds Pro. So we want to know, is it really worth it? Are you really saving that much money? Or are you willing to pay double to get the Galaxy Buds Pro? So the packaging is fairly simple. Open up the box. Here in the lid we have the warranty card and the instructions on how to set it up. Those things that no one ever really reads, but that you're supposed to read. So you do find that in the box, just straight underneath the lid. That's what we get. Then here inside the box, the packaging is pretty simple. We have some accessories in here that we will check out just now, and then also we have the buds inside the charging case. Okay, so the charging case is made from a plastic material, but it doesn't feel cheap. At the back you have USB-C charging, so USB-C for both the Galaxy Buds Plus and the Galaxy Buds Pro, compared to the older ones, which was like USB-C. It takes 2 hours for a complete charge of the wireless headphones and this charging case. 2 hours. The Galaxy Buds Pro is about 1.5 hours. So the charging time is less on the Galaxy Buds Pro than on the Galaxy Buds Plus. USB-C cable, and you get it inside the box. You get the USB-C, so it's not something that you have to go and buy extra. Here we find it inside the box already. Then it says Samsung Sound by AKG. When you open it up, it's a magnetic lid. Now the size of this charging case on the Galaxy Buds Plus is a little bit smaller than the charging case of the Galaxy Buds Pro. When you open it up, you find the wireless earbuds there inside the charging case. They are fitted with like a magnet thing, so you don't have to be scared that you don't fit them in. And then there's a light in the middle that tells you that they are busy charging. There's a green light. If battery is a bit low or something like that, then the color of that green light will change. Apparently there's like an orange color and also a red color. There's also in the middle, there's a rubber thing that says like left and right. It's not buttons, it just tells you kind of, this is left and that's right, if you don't know what is left and right. So then when we take a look at the earbuds themselves, the build quality, lots of people online says that it feels quite cheap. This is because people say it's so that it's light and easy to use. The weight of the Galaxy Buds Plus is exactly the same as the Galaxy Buds Pro, and the size is also exactly the same. Personally, for me, I like the design of the Galaxy Buds Pro a little bit more. The Galaxy Plus has got this rubber ear wings or tips that you can fit over, and inside the box you get different sizes. Okay, it comes inside the box, so you choose the ones that's correct for your ear. Now this is pretty important, because as you fit them in your ear, depending on the shape and size of your ear, this is going to be important for you to kind of like get a good sound and block out some sounds from the outside. Now that's another thing. The Galaxy Buds Plus that I have here in my hand do not have active noise cancelling. The Galaxy Buds Pro, the latest one, they have active noise cancelling. But I will say, even when I use the Galaxy Buds Plus, if you have used the correct tips and also you have the rubber things to fit the size of your ear canal, so they have different sizes also in the box, if you get the perfect fit, it really does a good job blocking out sounds. Obviously, it's not going to be perfect when you're in a very noisy area, but in a very noisy area, I would probably be investing my money in over-ear headphones anyway, like the Sony headphones with active noise cancelling. This, I think, does a really, really good job. What about the battery life of the Galaxy Buds Plus? This is the amazing thing. 11.5 hours of battery life. I'm not joking, guys. 11.5 hours. Compare that to the Galaxy Buds Pro, the latest one, which is only going to give you about 5 or 6 hours if you're using the active noise cancelling, which is what you're going to do, because that's kind of the reason why you bought them. If you turn off active noise cancelling, you're going to get about 8 hours on them. Now, what's good about the Galaxy Buds Pro is that if you put them in their charging case, they're going to give you about 2.5 charges out of that case. Where for the Galaxy Buds Plus, you're only going to get 1 extra charge out of the case. But I mean, with 11.5 hours of battery life and 1 extra charge, that means you're going to get like 23 hours of playtime on the Galaxy Buds Plus. On the Galaxy Buds Pro, obviously, you'll be getting, let's say, 6 plus 6 plus another 6, maybe 6.5. You can say 21 hours of playback time, realistically, if you're using active noise cancelling. Then also the microphone on these earbuds, when you use them, it's quite good, except if you're in a very, very noisy area, then obviously you wouldn't want to be taking business calls and things like that. But for general use, really good quality. The microphone, much better than the previous Galaxy Buds, the normal one, the first one that came out, much clearer. That's why they've added extra microphone. How about the sound quality? The sound quality on the Buds Plus and the Buds Pro is almost exactly the same. In fact, online you'll find some reviews where people tell you that the sound quality on the Buds Plus is even better than on the Buds Pro. So guys, think about it. If you are paying half the amount of money for the Buds Plus than for the Buds Pro, you need to make a decision whether those extra things in the Buds Pro is really worth paying double. Another thing that I can mention is about the IPX rating. Okay, this is IPX2, where Buds Pro is IPX7. That means the Buds Pro can go into more water, they're more water resistant. Okay, great. I don't want to jump with my headphones into the pool anyway. The Galaxy Buds Plus that I have here in my hand, you can go to the gym, you can exercise. It will be okay with sweat and all those type of things. You don't need to worry about it. It still gets the job done. So guys, that's my unboxing of the Galaxy Buds Plus. Basically, when you drop the buds into the charging case, they start charging automatically. Then obviously, if you have a Samsung phone, which is very useful, you can activate the power share and you can drop the case on the back of the Samsung phone and it will start charging. And then also If you want to connect to your phone, very easy. You just open up the charging case, and if the Bluetooth on your phone is on, then automatically a notification will pop up on your phone and it will allow you to connect, and it will also update you on the battery on both of the earbuds, the battery levels, and also you can go into the app on your Samsung phone. It will give you more information, settings that you can tweak about the different sound. You can adjust the buttons, because these are buttons on the earphones, so you can adjust volume, go to the next song or anything like that, or you can just turn it off if you don't want to just mess up your song and things like that. You can adjust it how you want to. So that's a cool feature. Same on the Galaxy Buds Pro. Obviously in the app of the Galaxy Buds Pro, they have the auto active noise cancelling and ambient noise settings, which is very nice. It is very useful, but you will need to make a decision whether it's worth it to pay almost double for that product for those extra features, which will basically just be the extra features is just the active noise cancelling and better microphone maybe, and better water resistant rating. When it comes to battery life, these headphones are king. Sound quality, very, very good. Not as good as over-ear headphones, but still very good and very nice. So thank you guys for watching this video for today. So remember to smash that like button and subscribe to help out with the YouTube algorithm. If you like this product, go out, get yourself some Galaxy Buds Plus, and see you guys in the next video.